welcome back to my channel. My name is Jay, and if you're new, please make sure you hit that red rectangle button, which is down below right here, followed by the post notification bell so it notifies you when I drop a video. And if you're a returning subscriber, hey, welcome. Thank you for coming back. Please continue to subscribe because I got lots more for you. So guess what, y'all? I got another shipment. So in today's video, what I'm going to be doing is an unboxing. From where you ask? Amazon. So I have Prime now. I had it for a little over like 6 months. I did the free trial thing, and obviously it was over last night, or whatever, how you could say it. So I just used the last free shipment, and then now I'm gonna be paying, but it's for the year, so it's okay. I really have lots of videos for you, but like I said, I gotta put on hold because I gotta get out the VidCon stuff, and then trust me. So let's just do this unboxing. See, this is a big box. This is the first time I ever got a big box. As you guys see, I'm always getting that envelope thingy that's like yellow. I already opened it because my mom was so antsy. She's like, oh my god, it's here, open it. And I'm like, no, I need to do an unboxing. She's like, you can still open it. So I was like, okay, let me just open it. So I opened it, and there's boxes in there. So I told her, no, I can't. Oh my god, I forgot to get the scissors. What's wrong with me? But before I go into that, I didn't even know I was gonna get this package because they said it was gonna be here by 9 p.m. 9:15, I was still waiting. I didn't get nothing, no notification saying it's here or anything. Nobody knocked the door. Something just told me at 9:15 to go open my door, because I know that's what Amazon does. I open the doors on the floor. I'm like, come on, Amazon. Like, I was literally home. I turned off everything, like whatever made noise. I turned off like the TV and everything, because when somebody knocks the door, I can't hear. Amazon does, when they knock the door, they don't even knock loud. So I was like, okay, let me turn off everything that makes noise I can hear. Never heard nothing. The person just left it on the floor. I was like so mad. I was like, I don't know if I want to order from them again, but obviously I do. But like, why would you leave the stuff on the floor? I was home. I understand if it's like daytime or whatever, but I'm home. You came on a Sunday. I'm home. And now we're still in a pandemic. I'm still home. You know what I mean? But whatever. Let me get the scissors, and then I'm going to open the boxes, because the boxes are taped. I'm like, why are you guys taping the boxes? But it's okay to be protectful. So inside the box. Oh my god. Y'all see inside the box, right? I gotta move the cam back. Oh, hold on. Sorry, y'all. There we go. So I saw this. I was like, oh, this is just one. Nah, it's like two. This is so cool to me. I don't know why. This is really cool to me. It's like, you know, I saw this and I'm like, what is this? Oh, come on. So there's that. It says thank you for choosing Qkey. I don't know how to pronounce that. Oh, it tells you what it is. And I was like freaking out yesterday. I was like, what is this? What did I buy? And my mom's like, what did you just order? Well, it's not my money, it's my mother's money, but still. I know, too much information. But yeah, she's like, what is in there? I'm like, I don't know. Oh, it tells you what this is too. That's when my mom knew what it was. So there's another thing. I already know what this is though. So if that's all of it, that means it's small. And there's the box, empty box. So Amazon Prime, if you guys want it, get it. I was just shocked that since yesterday was my last day of using Amazon Prime for free, like the free trial, I was just shocked that I was able to get it within a day, because usually when I order from Amazon Prime, I never get my shipment within a day. I would get it within 2 days. So y'all comment down below and let me know, is it because my free trial was like over, and now that I'm gonna start paying like for every year, Prime is gonna be 1 day shipping now, because I did it late. I ordered on Friday, probably like around 11 p.m. or 11:30, because we were still deciding what we were gonna get. So yeah, y'all just comment down below if that's what it is, or it depends on the item that I'm getting. Because mostly all the stuff, like I was adding more stuff, like even the stuff that I bought previously, all that was saying too I can get it within tomorrow. I mean, like yesterday. So I don't know. Or maybe because it's long weekend. Because this Monday, because today's Sunday, the 2nd, tomorrow's the 3rd. And the 3rd is a holiday. It's going to be separate holiday. So I don't know. Let me know, y'all. I feel like you guys can't see me. There we go. I think I'm going to open this one first. I'm pretty sure y'all know what it is. It says right there. If you can't see what it is, then good. I don't know where I'm gonna open it. Maybe this side. Voila! So I don't want to tell you what this is. You already know. It's a rolling pin because we're gonna be baking. You know. This is the rolling pin. My mom said it was small, but I feel like it's big. Because she had a bigger one, but I don't know where that is. I'm pretty sure she took it away. Oh, it tells you the size, so. Okay, put that back nicely. I'm not gonna man. She understands. But anyways, that's one down. That's a rolling pin because we're gonna be baking. Y'all already know. I think we're gonna bake tonight or tomorrow. I don't know. Let's open the second package. What am I doing like this? I should cut it. This is what I bought. I'm mad right now. So we're gonna be making meat pie, and this is called like dumpling maker, because she was watching on YouTube of how they make meat pie, meaning like the Ghanaian meat pie or whatever. But so I've been looking for it. I couldn't find it. I finally found it. These are the sizes. This is small. There's no way. I might have to return this. There's no way. I'll let you guys know at the end of the video if I'm gonna return this or not. My mother was right. It's gonna come small. They advertise like it's so big, but it ain't big. To be honest, I'm not gonna open the second box because it's the same. In this box, it's the same thing. Look at this. And why is it dirty? Like, look at this. I don't know if you guys can see it, but like over there is dirty. You kind of can see it. This is how it looks like. So when you make the meat pie, you put it in, because they said it's for ravioli. I can't take this. And then this is for the circle that you're gonna make to cut out. So like you prep it like that on the dough, and then you cut it into a circle. I don't know. This is the second time I ordered something from Amazon, and this is not what I wanted. Like, I don't, what is the word? Like, it's not, they advertise it so big, but it's not what I expected. There we go. This is not what I expected. I'm gonna have to call my mother and let her know that this is not what we wanted. Because I saw it in this box. I'm like, am I sure this is what I want? Like, look at this. This little thing right here. This is why they were so eager to give it to me right away. Amazon really got me, eh? I don't know. I'm gonna have to go look online right now to see. There was another one, but that one was plastic, so I don't know. I gotta look at the size dimension. Y'all already know what I mean when I say that, so I don't know. definitely gonna have to return this. I hate returning stuff, but what can you do? This, I'm not gonna tell you what it is. I'm just gonna open it and let you guys know what it is, because I don't even know how to open it. They just put it in there like that. Ugh. This is what I don't like. Like, I thought it was gonna be in a bag like this. No, they just threw it all in here like that, yo. So it's eyebrow razors. I already have this. It's just easier and faster. You know, when you have like a little... Everybody has hair on their face. I know you guys seen on me. Everybody has hair on their face. So you just, you know. It's very sharp, damn. This looks exactly like how I have. So I already bought 40 pack. Oh, I love the covering. My cover is not like that. Mine, this is really plasticky, but you could tell that you have to be fragile with it. Whereas the one that I bought from Winners, they don't break easily. But yeah, so far, the only thing I'm happy about is the eyebrow shaver and the rolling pin. This thing that we ordered wasn't, I didn't expect that. It wasn't what I expected. So those are the only two things. These are the only two things that I like. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is my unboxing. That's it. This is my unboxing for today. I only got 4 things, like I told you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I was only, out of the 4, I only like 2. So yeah, I'm gonna put down in the link below of the name of this, what is it called, what the name of the eyebrow razor is, like how much I got it for. I think I got this one for $27.99, either $27.99 or $17.99. I'm gonna correct it. This one was for like $20, so this one's a good price for $40, because you can't get that in the store that I know of. And then those things down there, it's probably $20 as well. I don't know. I'm gonna return those, but these 2 things, I'm gonna leave it down below in the link of where I purchased it, like Amazon. I told you I'm gonna give you the correct link. And yeah, those out of the 4, like I told you, I only like 2 things. So yeah, that is my unboxing for today. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, do all that jazz, and I'll see you guys in the next video.